Welcome back, everybody, for another fun gear review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Lixada Camping Titanium 750 milliliter pot with bale handle. Now, if you saw my other review, it was the stainless steel version. This is the titanium one. And I got this for a steal. List price on Amazon for this is $29.99. It was during a Prime Amazon day where they had a bunch of stuff marked down. I got this for $20. I couldn't believe it. Right now, it's on Prime for $23.99. So, not as good of a deal as I got it for, but still not bad. Now, let's take a look at this guy. Comes in a plain box just like the other one. Oh, look at that. The same stuff sack. Let's get it out. Well, other than some minor differences, like with the butterfly handles, it looks the same as the stainless one. Get that stuff out of here. Yeah. The stainless handles had a step in right here, and these don't. Oh, wow, I like that. Wow, that's light. Looks like it's got the same stand-up type bail here on the lid as the other one. Graduations stamped inside the pot are very visible. That is nice. And we got the same kind of overhead type bail. It looks identical, except for those few minor things. An Nalgene bottle fits in it. So for ultra lightweight, that's pretty nice. How is the fitment on the lid? You know, let me put that down. The lid on this one, look at that. The lid actually fits kind of snug on this compared to the stainless steel one. That's pretty nice. Me like. Because I prefer a lid to have a little bit tighter tolerances versus a really loose lid. But that's just my own personal preference. Some people like it the other way. Okay, let's see if these graduations are accurate or not. It's got the same setup. So I got 16 ounces of water here. And yeah, it's almost, yeah, it's identical. It's just a little bit above 16 ounces for 2 cups. So, there is that. Oops, you know what? Let me grab some paper towel and wipe this out because we didn't weigh this. I got the pot all dried out. So, now we're going to weigh it. I'm sorry about that. I should have done that before I was checking those graduations. But it is what it is. This is completely unscripted. We're doing it live. We're doing it live. Okay, so let me stick it back in the baggie. I think the stainless one was over 8 ounces. I'm kind of curious to see what this one weighs because this one feels like you're holding nothing. Okay, so it's back in the baggie with lid. 5 ounces, holy smokes. 140 grams. Guys, that's light. That is stupid light. Wow. Okay, wow. Because I'll be honest, with my day pack, which is a small, I think it's a 30-some liter pack, I've been looking at trying to shed some weight. My birthday is next week, and I'm starting to feel my age, let me tell you. So I'm at that point where I'm like, you know what, let me shed a little weight, and I think I can shed a little weight in my cook kit. So that's why I'm looking into titanium now. And I gotta say, I'm really interested. Holy smokes. Well, for the current price, $23.99, or what I got it for, 20 bucks even, that is a heck of a deal. Let's see how durable this is. I can flex it. I can definitely flex that. So you could crush it, I'm pretty sure, if you're not careful, but it is pretty sturdy. You can pop the bail off just like the other one. It's, oh, let me see if I can get that lined back up. Is there a burr on that? Yeah, there's a burr on that. That's why I can't get it lined up. There we go. So there is a little bit of a burr on that. But that is definitely worth it. Wow. I can't get over how light that is. So, if you are in the market for a lightweight pot, I suggest checking it out. I also suggest you come back for my other video, to where you can see this version, the titanium version, or the stainless steel version. And they're identical, except for the handle, which I will put them side by side here so you can see the difference in the handle shape. And what also is pretty cool is I've noticed some of these titanium pots, this wire bail and the wire handle will sometimes be stainless, and this appears to be all titanium. There's no stainless in this that I can see. It's 100% titanium. So, very cool. But anyway, I hope you come back for my other video. My other video, we're going to do a boil test with both of them. The same amount of water, the same stove, same temperatures. And we're going to see if there is a difference between titanium and stainless in boil times, because I've always been curious of that. But to be fair, I had to have identical pots, and up until now I didn't. So now we got identical pots. So I hope to see you over there in that video, and I'll catch y'all later. Thank you for watching.